So one of our professors strongly recommended this course, and I was like, okay, let's do it.
The Green ICT Camp focuses a lot on green, sustainable technology, and I feel like in the university we don't talk about that much, so I wanted to know more.
I'm super excited for it because the topic what is discussed on is actually what I want to work in the future. I feel being an engineer, it's not just you build something technologically advanced, you have to consider environmental aspect.
In order to be something, you just don't need your book knowledge, but your practical aspects as well.
Those kind of events are an extremely relevant part of getting young professionals together in their research field.
It's a very good thing for networking. You will meet new people, professors, different industry representatives, different industries.
Many type of people, many different type of degrees, and their different thoughts, like it is amazing.
We have a lot of give and take for any problem, how we see. It is very different, so you get to observe a lot of things. It's just that you get a bird view of how you look at the problems.
I'm really enjoying each and every second. It's all, I would say, magical, yet technical.
Enjoyed the workshops at Fraunhofer, enjoyed the excursion to Siemens and meeting the people from different kind of industries.
Everyone is super supportive and they really don't hesitate to go extra mile to support you.
Always keep looking for these type of programs. It's a good way to connect to people.
Give it a try because you have a lot to learn here.
I think my advice is to stay curious, never stop growing.